Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the Healthy and Delicious. So we have some Japanese style noodles. This is the one from my kitchen. So it's been long time guys. So the bones in my chicken. So nowadays it's very, everything is so expensive. So the bone I did it through that. Hindi ko siya itinapon guys. So ang ginawa ko is pinakuluan ko siya ng medyo matagal. Tapos, yan, nilagyan ko siya ng asparagus at saka yung zucchini at saka onion, green onion sa ating garden. So, yan, naka-create tayo ng another dish meal, okay? Even you eat this alone, this is already enough, guys, okay? So, in the other side, I am cooking the vegan meat, sausage. So here we go guys, welcome here to our vlog for today and our edition. Nandito tayo sa ating kitchen ngayon at ginagamit ko tong aking ito ay, this is delicious guys. This is one of the best, I like the vegan sausage. This is the one of my hubby's favorite because he's already vegan. Everything vegan, made from the plants and whole foods. That's his diet now, and together mine, I'm already 95% raw vegan. Once in a while I just taste the food that I cook. So this is it guys, it's already ready, this one. Yan. Please, if you are new here to my channel, please subscribe my channel guys. So this is our vegan sausage breakfast, and together with I'm cooking here the other side.
No, get that plate.
This is delicious. Try this. Guys, itong atin na-harvest natin sa ating garden. Ito yung atin ginamit sa ating pagluluto. Para hindi na kami bumibili ng mga gulay, green onions, lettuce at saka yung kale. Yun ang aming mga gulay na available sa aming backyard. Okay guys, here we go. Ito na yung atin noodle soup, Japanese noodle soup. So, napakasarap niya guys. Okay? Yung udon noodle soup ng Japanese styles. Favorite ko ito kasi since ngayon, hindi ako pwede kumain ng chinucho. Ito, pwede siya. Medyo titikim lang ako nito. Ang iba ay para sa aking mga anak. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Very tasty yung bone. Na umano talaga yung lasa ng bone. Kaya, ito, it's Monday. Today is June 6, 2022, guys. And hope you enjoy my cooking now in this vlog. Ready na to serve ang aking vegan. This is the vegan sausage for my husband. Everything is made from the plant, guys. But the best also if you eat directly from the plant, So I make some kale, beans, and everything put together. Here we go. It's so delicious. Once you taste this one, guys, nako, magugustuhan nyo talaga. Tapos, ito na yung ating soup. Ready na i-serve sa mga kiddos ko. At I'm sure magugustuhan ninyo din itong aking homemade broth. Bone soup from the chicken. Kung mayroon kayong mga leftover ng mga chicken, guys, huwag nyong ito tapon kahit yung buto lang yan. Ang bone broth, guys, ay may mga sustansya tayong makukuha dyan, guys. Okay? So, ito ay aking pinapa-soak kasi, I'm just craving for a little things. So, for 1 week, I just eating for raw vegan. So, ngayon, let's have a taste naman kasi we need to eat a variety of food. So, yan. Luto na yung ating sausage. Enjoy, guys! Okay, guys. Ito na yung ating Japanese noodle soup. So delicious. Napakasarap niya talaga, guys. Yung asparagus na niluto ko sa husband ko, tinanggal ko yung I remove in the end, but I did not do that, okay? Because I know there is some nutrients there. So I just put this one and zucchini. So look at that. So delicious, guys. So hope you enjoy this, and if you are new to my channel, Healthy and Delicious, please help me to grow. Subscribe, like, and share for more healthy and delicious food. Bye for now.